Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on a layout. And it's been, I'd say about 3 days I haven't uploaded a video. It's been a little cray-cray around here. Everybody is pretty much feeling under the weather. I've managed to not get sick yet, but you know when you have that feeling, like you feel like you are gonna get sick, I'm kind of at that stage. I don't know. Hopefully I don't get sick. I got too much to do. Not last night, but the night before, I coughed all night. But then I got up and I didn't cough all day. So I don't know if it's just the dry air of winter. I don't know. But we're just gonna keep plugging on. Plus, I have things that I have to do for my business, and it's taking me so long. So I probably won't do a live this week. This will go up instead of the live, just because I just have so much to do. I'm hoping, and I only have till the end of February to get it done. So, and it's a lot. It's a lot. I have like 1,000 videos to deal with. So it's gonna take me a minute. Okay. Now, this collection is the I Am collection by Simple Stories. I love this. I like the I Am Amazing. And I think I'm going to probably do this page about Lexi. I just think she is the cutest ever. And she started lately. And sometimes, like, it's just, you just have to do something once, and then she starts saying it. Like, she talks so much. She's only 20 months old, and the amount of words that kid has, we stopped counting. We stopped counting at like 55 or something like that, because now she says, like, sentences. So, but one day, Dave goes up to her, and he goes, high five, and when she gave the high five, he says, all right. And now every time you say high five, she goes, all right. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Adorable. So of course I get her to say it quite a few times per day. All right. And then we watch Miss Rachel, her and I, and then we actually like do the stuff that she says, you know, like if she says to count her alphabet, like she can say A, B, C, D, E, and then, you know, I'll sing the song, and then she goes, elemental P for elemental P. It's so cute. And she can count to 5, I think. And there's one person on there, and he's from the Philippines, I think he said he was. Anyway, he says to one of the, they have like puppets on there too. And he says, do you want to learn to count in Spanish? So then we're doing it with him. And then he says, dome cinco, like give me 5. So then I say that to her too. And she does the high five and all right. So it's cute. It's a good age to be around her, you know. It's so fun. And she's already starting, like, you know, what they call the terrible twos, you know, when you say, oh, that's not for babies, you know, you can't do that. And she just gets upset. And then I say, are you mad? And then she goes, and I said, are you mad? I said, that's okay. It's okay to sometimes feel mad, but then you gotta, you know, get over it and let's have fun now. And then she starts laughing. She's so cute. One day I said something, she goes, I'm mad. And I said, and you're also cute. Oh my gosh. I think as a grandmother too, it's easier than when we were a young, you know, couple raising 3 kids and, you know, all this stuff going on. It's just easier, you know? Everything is funny to me now. Everything is just funny. And if you've been watching me for a while, I know, you know, I've said that the only thing is that kid doesn't sleep, and she's finally started sleeping. I mean, she went through, because she got sick too. She got sick on New Year's. My daughter has been sick for a month. She works with kids, so kids are always sick, right? So she's been sick for a month, and I don't want to say finally, but it took a month for Lexi to get sick. So I think that's pretty amazing that she didn't get sick for a whole month, but she got it. She was sick at like around New Year's. So of course we had plans. We were, I mean, we're just going to watch a hockey game. Our junior team here was playing, so we went to watch a hockey game with Mason, and then they have an ice rink just outside where the team is. They did an outside rink, so they had music there. They had, you know, all kinds of stuff. So free fries with donations. You know, we gave money as donation or whatever, and free fries, free hot dogs. So we went there at 2:30. We didn't stay there till midnight. It was so cold. And at 9 something, Mason was like, I'm okay to go home now. I was like, okay, let's go. So then we went and got pizza from Pizza. It's a pizzeria place, and it used to be only like further west from now, like from us, further west from us, and like 20 hours away, and now it's finally here. It went to Halifax, which is the next province away from us, past us, and finally it's here. We don't go there often, but it was a special occasion, so we just, you know, we went and got pizza, then we came home. And because, like, I've been, again, I'm not sick. I don't feel sick. Today I find that I'm sounding a little bit more like congested, maybe, like just in the throat or whatever. But I don't feel sick. I've been taking my concoction that I made, fermented garlic with raw honey. And I've been taking, when you feel like you're going to get sick, you take one every hour, like just a piece of it every hour. So I've been taking that every hour, and vitamin C and cold effects, and it's been working. So hopefully I don't have time to get sick. I do not have time to get sick. I got too much to do. I was hoping to be able to do a live today, but I figure I better get the stuff done that I need to get done, you know? So I don't know if you remember it was a couple years ago, and the website provider that we had, they went and they wanted to like double or triple their prices, and they kept saying that all of a sudden, you know, my website was getting hacked, or somebody was trying to hack it all of a sudden, and they had the solution. And they wanted to, so I just went, you know what? No, we're not doing that. Like, I had been with them since 2015, so it was like 8 years at the time. And, you know, we were getting everything through them. We were getting our website, our LLS certificate, and, you know, a bunch of other stuff, the name for my business and all that. Like, we were doing all of that through them. So they were getting already, You know what I mean? Like tons of money. And so we just ended up canceling everything. Well, now the company where I lodge or put my videos, they're doing the same thing. They want to charge more for less. And I'm like, I've been literally with you guys for literally since 2015. So 10 years I've been paying loyally, and I don't mind paying when it's fair. But when you give me less stuff and you want to charge more, I just can't do it, and everybody is kind of, struggling right now, and you're trying to gouge the small businesses, and it's not cool. It's just not cool. So that's what I need to move. All the videos for Patreon and all the videos for all my classes. So there's going to be new PDFs for all the classes. And that's the only reason I mention it, because if you have a class of mine and you got the new PDFs from 2 years ago, there's going to be new ones. now till the end of January, nothing changes. And on Patreon, I'm moving all my videos, and then I'm going and I'm adding the new links all at once. And when I'm changing it, it's literally, I delete the other one and I go add, save. So it's literally 10 seconds. So unless you're watching that video, you know what I mean? It shouldn't affect anything unless you're watching that video, and then you would just refresh your page and then, it would be there again, but just on a different platform kind of thing. So I'm working hard on that. I've done 2021 for Patreon. I've uploaded all the videos for 2022. I just haven't changed them on Patreon yet. And I'm about 3/4 done 2023. And in the next 4 days, I'm going to finish 2023 and 2024. So then Patreon will be all up to date. And then I'll do the classes. And the classes shouldn't take me as long, because for Patreon, every year has 124 videos. So if you haven't tried my Patreon yet, whenever you subscribe or, do the membership, you can go back right to 2021. And now, while I was doing that, they added a new option where you could put everything in collections. So let's say if you're a gold member and you wanted to go watch all the sketches in 2021, well, I have a folder that's just sketches 2021, and you could go and watch all of the videos all at once, and everything is all there. Everything is all arranged and everything. So if anything, I was pretty organized anyway. Like, I like to, name the videos, and then I like to put the month that it belonged to. Now, I hadn't done that for 2021, and I always wanted to go back and do it. Well, now it's done. It says all the months, so that's good. At least it got me to totally get that, arranged there. I'm going to move this over. This morning, too, I wanted to count how many kits that we ended up putting together with, the kit creations. I wanted to know how many kits we got put together, and I was going to count them before I did this page, and I just totally forgot. But I think for a few weeks, I'm not going to make any more kits. I have no more baggies to put them in. So what I'm doing is I'm going to upload 2 scrapbook process videos a week using the kits that we built. And today, I'm using one of the kits that was in this, because I didn't have enough plastic bags. So I had, I think, 8 or 9 on this. I think I'm down to probably 5. But I'm just going to keep making the kits. And then once I feel like, yeah, okay, now it's a manageable amount, then I'll start making page kits again. I still want tons of page kits because, for example, this Saturday, there is a crop. I can't go because I have other plans. But if I was all of a sudden able to go, I could just grab those page kits and just go, right? So I want to have that. And plus, like today, I'm like, oh, I really don't have a lot of time to film videos because I have to work on, you know, doing those, transferring all those videos, right? But I have a page kit already done. So I can go upstairs and in 20 minutes or so, I can get a page done and I can have a video for YouTube and feel like I got a page done. Yay. And then I can just go back to what I was doing and do that. I'm hoping to do a organize with me video. I don't know if I'll do that right now or if I'll go and, you know, work more on that. And then I'll just film that tomorrow maybe. And it'll go up Saturday. Because I want to, when I do upload videos, I want to do them every 2 days. Let me go try to find some pictures. Okay, so I just went and got some pictures. That's a day out that they did. I think it was in July, maybe. It was Katie's best friend's daughter's birthday. And she turned 12. She's the same age as Mason, but her birthday is like 6 months before Mason. So Mason's going to turn 12, like in, oh my goodness, in 3 weeks. And she turned 12 in July. 12, where has the time gone by, right? Jeez Louise. Okay. Oh, I love this. I love that. I love that. They went to like a butterfly. It's called Butterfly World. And she got to see butterflies. She didn't touch them. Don't worry. She was just like, oh, so enthralled. But, and then they went paddle boarding. Paddleboard? Like almost like little not paddleboard, but those little boats, and then you just pedal, whatever. Anyway, there were 4 of them on the one boat, and they had a blast. They didn't stay out there long, but so cute. Now, I know this was, I think, July 2023. So I'm going to put July 2023. And then I'm not going to do a lot of journaling, you know. I'm just going to put that they went out for the day with my daughter's friend and her daughter. And they had a blast. Okay. On the back here, oh, that's so pretty, but sometimes you just have to make a decision, right? So January 2025, and this is Scrap Process 1038. So that's it. That is going to complete this page. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.